Let's talk about that noise. The high-pitched squeak that haunts your ride. It's a sound every rider dreads, a sharp reminder that something's not quite right with your machine. It's the sound that ruins a perfect day on the road, making every wheel rotation a reminder something's wrong. Instead of enjoying the wind and the freedom, you're stuck listening to that persistent squeal. That squeak isn't just annoying, it's your motorcycle's cry for help. It's the chain's way of telling you it needs attention, that it's suffering from neglect, dirt, or lack of lubrication. It signals neglect, friction, and wasted power. Every time you hear that noise, it means your bike is working harder than it should. A healthy bike should roar, not squeal like a rusty gate. The difference between a well-maintained chain and a neglected one is night and day. Ignore it, and you risk bigger, costlier problems down the line. A worn chain can snap, damage your sprockets, or even leave you stranded far from home. But fixing it? Easier than you think. With just a little effort, you can bring your chain back to life and restore your bike's performance. What's behind that dreadful squeak? It's usually one or all of three things. First, dryness. Without lube, metal grinds on metal, creating friction and noise. Second, dirt and grime. Your chain picks up road debris, mixing with old lube to form an abrasive paste that accelerates wear. Third, improper tension. Too tight strains components. Too loose risks the chain jumping off. Both extremes make noise and can be dangerous. The solution? A clean, well-lubricated chain with just the right amount of slack. Get these basics right, and your drivetrain will be quiet, efficient, and long-lasting. Don't ignore the warning signs. A little maintenance now prevents big headaches later. Let's break the cycle of squeaks for good. Here's how. Before we get started, it's important to gather all the tools you'll need for a smooth and efficient chain maintenance session. Having everything ready before you begin will save you time and make the process much easier. First, you'll need a way to lift the rear wheel off the ground. A paddock stand, or a center stand, is ideal for this, as it allows you to freely rotate the wheel and access the entire chain. If your bike doesn't have a center stand, a paddock stand is a worthwhile investment for any home mechanic. Next, grab a can of dedicated motorcycle chain cleaner. These are specially formulated to break down grime and old lubricant without harming the O-rings or X-rings in your chain. Avoid using harsh chemicals, like kerosene or petrol, as they can cause long-term damage to your chain seals. A chain brush is another essential tool. Its unique design lets you scrub all sides of the chain at once, making the cleaning process much faster and more thorough. If you don't have a chain brush, an old toothbrush can work in a pinch, but a proper brush is highly recommended. For lubrication, use a high-quality motorcycle chain, lube or wax. These products are designed to protect your chain from wear and corrosion, and they help keep your ride smooth and quiet. Don't use general-purpose oils as they won't provide the right protection. You'll also want to have some old rags or paper towels handy. These are perfect for wiping off excess cleaner, removing dirt, and keeping your workspace tidy. Chain maintenance can get messy, so it's best to be prepared. To check and adjust your chain's tension, you'll need a tape measure, and the correct size spanners or sockets for your bike's axle nuts and adjusters. Having the right tools ensures you can make precise adjustments without damaging any components. If you're unsure about the exact sizes or specifications, always refer to your motorcycle's owner's manual. It's a valuable resource for torque settings, tool sizes, and maintenance intervals. So, to recap, you'll need a stand, chain cleaner, brush, lube, rags, a tape measure, and the right spanners or sockets. No fancy or expensive equipment is required, just these basic tools will do the job perfectly. With these essentials at your side, you're fully equipped to take on motorcycle chain maintenance confidently and safely. Now that you've got your tools ready, let's move on to the cleaning process and get your chain looking and performing like new. With your bike secure and the rear wheel free, it's time to clean. Lay down cardboard or newspaper to catch drips. Put the bike in neutral, grab your chain cleaner and brush. Spray cleaner onto the chain and scrub as you slowly rotate the wheel. Focus on all sides and between the rollers. Get every bit of grime. Wipe the chain dry with a clean rag, rotating the wheel as you go. The chain should look metallic, not greasy black. A clean chain is the foundation for smooth riding. You've just removed the main cause of wear and noise. The squeak may already be gone, but we're not done yet. Next up, lubrication. Now, Let's lubricate. Aim the lube at the inside of the chain, right on the rollers, as you rotate the wheel. Apply a thin, even coat. Don't overdo it. Less is more. Too much lube attracts dirt and flings off. Once the inside is coated, lightly spray the outer edges to protect against corrosion. Let the lube set, ideally after a ride when the chain is warm. Give it time to cure before riding again. Proper lubrication reduces wear, noise, and mess. This simple step makes a huge difference. Don't rush. Let the lube do its job. With a well-lubed chain, you're almost done. One last check, tension. Now, check your chain's tension. Find the correct slack in your owner's manual, usually 25-35 millimeters. Rotate the wheel to find the tightest spot and measure the up and down movement. If it's within spec, you're set. If not, loosen the rear axle nut slightly. Adjust the tension bolts equally on both sides, clockwise to tighten, anti-clockwise to loosen. Use alignment marks to keep the wheel straight. Once the slack is right, tighten the axle nut to spec. Double-check your work. Proper tension means smooth, safe riding. That's it. Your chain is now clean, lubed, and correctly adjusted. Let's finish with some pro tips. Want to keep your chain in top shape? Here are some pro tips. Always lube after a ride, not before. The warm chain absorbs lube better. Make chain care a habit. Clean and lube every 300-500 miles, or more often in wet or dirty conditions. Check your sprockets for wear. Replace chain and sprockets as a set if needed. Clean your tools after each use for next time. Preventative maintenance saves money and extends your bike's life. These small steps make a big difference. You're not just fixing a problem, you're building a relationship with your bike. Stay consistent, and your rides will always be smooth and quiet. That's the mark of a true motorcyclist. Ready for the final ride? That's it, you've done it. You've taken the time, put in the effort, and now you can stand back and admire your work. There's a real sense of accomplishment in knowing you've cared for your own machine, and it's something to be proud of. Your chain is clean, lubed, and perfectly tensioned. It's not just about looks, this is about performance and safety too. A well-maintained chain means smoother rides, better power delivery, and less risk of unexpected breakdowns. The squeak is gone, replaced by the smooth hum of a healthy machine. That sound is your reward, a sign that your attention to detail has paid off. Take your bike for a spin and enjoy the silence. Feel the difference as you ride, knowing every turn of the wheel is powered by your own handiwork. You did this yourself, no mechanic, no fuss. You've learned a skill that will serve you for years to come, and you've proven that you're more than just a rider, you're a caretaker. Every time you maintain your bike, you build confidence and understanding. Each job you tackle makes the next one easier, and soon, these tasks become second nature. You've saved money, extended your bike's life, and made every ride better. Regular maintenance means fewer costly repairs down the road, and your bike will thank you with reliability and performance. This is what motorcycling is all about: connection, care, and pride in your machine. It's about the bond you build with your bike, and the satisfaction that comes from looking after something you love. Don't stop here. Check your tires, your oil, your brakes. There's always more to learn, and every bit of knowledge makes you a better, safer rider. Home maintenance opens up a world of possibilities. It's a journey, not a destination, and every step you take brings you closer to mastering your machine. If you have questions or want more tips, let me know. There's a whole community of riders out there ready to share advice and stories. For now, enjoy the ride and the sound of silence. You've earned it. Take pride in your work, and remember, every mile ahead is yours to enjoy, thanks to the care you've given your bike.